is hard.
This is me, and I'm about to turn my last $10 to $1,000 trading Forex. But hold up, there's a problem. Yo, what's good, guys? I don't want to shout too much, you get me? So today is a new day, is a new vibe, is a new energy. So it's currently, look at the time right now, it's currently 11:43. It's the 11th of December 2025. So welcome to today's video. It's already ending of today, if you want to put it that way. So today, a few hours ago, I just felt like I felt risky, you understand? There's a very popular argument. Is it possible to take $10 to $1,000? So I just felt like let's just see what I can do. Let's see if I can do it. So at the end of today's video, you know if it's possible or it's just not possible. Now why I choose to do it right now is because XAUSD moves also in the night too. And this is the best time for me to just sit down and try something crazy. I don't want to do it in the day. Why? Because I just don't want to do it in the day. Let's just do something crazy in the night. So give me, I've never traded in the night before, like serious trading. I don't think I've done it before. So today, let's just do it and let's see. So yeah, that argument, I just want to find the answer by myself. That's the main reason I'm doing this video.
One eternity later.
So guys, before I even begin, I noticed that I'll actually face a couple of issues, because what I'm about to do is I'm about to start going into trades in and out, trying to make $1,000. Well, I'm not that kind of trader, you understand? I'm more of a swing trader. You know, I hold trades for a couple of days before I close them out, but I'll be entering and coming out. I just hope it can actually make me get really exhausted quickly, that I might just shut down my system and just go and sleep. You know how going in and out of trades can be exhausting. I know for a fact when I started trading, I know how exhausting that thing can be. Reasons why I actually just started to gravitate into holding trades longer, because that thing can be exhausting, and it's not like the more you sit on the chart, it's even making you more money. Sometimes, most of the time, it even takes the one that you made. So I just started to give the charts less time and start focusing on more quality trades. But today I'm going to fuck all of those shit and I'm going to go in. I don't really care. I'll sit down here, enter trades, even if it's seconds. I have to see what today's going to turn out. Will I lose my $10 or would I make money? Issue number 2 is I need to find a strategy. So I need to find a strategy that works for scalping, right? And I think I have one already. There's a strategy I got back then. I think I'll be implementing it into this video. Just basically support and resistance, right? Support as the ground, you understand. When the markets come there, you try to buy the market, and if it keeps going up, you make money. If it goes down, you lose money. Same thing, resistance at the ceiling. Again, when market goes, you try to sell. If it keeps going down, you make money. If it goes up, you lose money. So that's the strategy I'm going to be carrying today into this market. Let's see what actually happens this night. I think we're about to get into a new day already. 12th of December 12th of 2025. So let's see what happens. Just funded $10.48 into my broker right now. At this point, I'm trying to get my setup right, myself right, everything in check, so that I can be that trader that makes $1,000 all under the next 24 hours. But for the meantime, let me use the next 50 seconds to explain to you guys about the sponsors of today's video. So guys, today's video is brought to you by Try to Trade. Now, Try to Trade is a challenge firm that helps traders get access to Profem accounts all under low cost. So instead of being like me and funding your last $10, $20 into your broker, what you can do is get a Try to Trade account. Once you pass, Try to Trade will be responsible for actually purchasing the actual Profem account from one of these Profems listed in the website. So that's basically what Try to Trade does. It helps you get access to Profems all under low cost. Once you get an account, you get your login details, you begin trading, you can see every details about your trading statistics. Now, making it big as a young and upcoming trader has never been more easier. With Try to Trade, you don't need much capital. You don't even need capital at all. Your $10, $20, instead of being like me, funding it and trying to make $1,000, all you can do is pay the safe and the fastest and the easiest way to actually making it big. We Try to Trade.
2,000 years later. What?
So guys, after sitting on the chart for hours, for minutes, after sitting on the chart for minutes, I placed the first trade and I made 50 something cents. Like, how do I want to possibly make $1,000 when I'm making it cents? The thing about gold is I can't enter one position. There's other pairs that I've been able to start positions, but with gold it's just too expensive. with $10 with a $10 account. The leverage there is 1 to 3,000. This is I'm already exhausted. I don't know how you guys do it, man. I don't know how you guys do it. To take some of this kind of thing can take you like 4 years. 4 years to get to 1,000. I'm telling you the gospel truth, man. The thing is, I can't even risk high, say. I can't even risk high because it's already too expensive. Well, I just need to come up with a plan. And this, by the time right now, other pairs are not moving. Even though I said I'll go and trade other pairs, but they're not even moving. Let me just look at my face. So, I think this should be the end of the video. It was an epic fail. It was epic. It was a traditional fail. Big fail. Like I can't continue with this. No, better sleep. If you guys want me to still do this challenge, maybe another time, let me know in the comments. But so guys, I just felt like doing this challenge and saying it. I'm not even ready to even start what I cannot finish. I give up on this. But it's kind of funny to think that this is where, like, even me myself that is giving up. This was me sometime. Like 80% of young Nigerians, this is their current situation on a $10,000 account. Me, like last year, if you had given me let's just say $10,000 account. If you had given me last year $10 into my trading account, I would thank you. Like, you brought me back to the market, soon to go out again, looking for another $10. And now look at me now. I don't even know what it feels like to be trading $10. Like, it's so exhausting. 80% of people out there are trading. 80% of young Nigerian traders are trading $10. Like that's their normal. So you guys, big ups to you, man. I respect you guys. Big ups, respect. We'll get to that point that we all wish to get to one day. One day we'll all be there. You understand? It's all about consistency. The only forget big grammar, forget big English. The only difference between a successful man and an unsuccessful man, I mean, like, two people who, like, forget the unsuccessful man we know the work. I'm talking about a successful man that puts in the work and the unsuccessful one that puts in the work. It's just consistency. You understand? You just need to continue with what you're doing. That's the only difference. A lot of people give up. 80-90% of people will stop halfway, trust me. But it's just he that did not give up that will see the light at the end of the tunnel. And I'm not giving up too, so you don't also give up too. So I think that should be the end of today's video
right now. So here's my unfiltered take on if it's possible to make $1,000 from $10,000. For me, it's possible 100%, but it's not a sustainable way to trade. Meaning, anything you cannot consistently do over and over and over again, don't do it. Find a system that can help you make consistency regardless of the situation. With $10 trying to make 1,000 is possible. Maybe after you made like 100 tries, then you might make one lucky one. But that's not a sustainable way to trade. So guys, this is just basically me being 100% real with you all. This is my life. I just decided to hop on this challenge. So that's it, guys. Make sure you drop a like, drop a subscribe, guys. I'm trying to hit 5,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So guys, that's basically it. Use the link and get a trial to trade account and stop trading crazy. So guys, that's basically it. Catch you all on the next video. Peace and love, guys.